Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question from equations from algebra. So let's see how we can solve this. Look at this fraction part. In this fraction part, we can rewrite numerator and denominator. Let's see how. We can rewrite this as a plus a as 3 times a upon a times a as a cube is equals to 27. Now, if we solve this fractional part further, we will get 3 upon a square is equals to 27. Now, how we can get this as 3 upon a square? Please see that a upon a cube, we can cancel out 1a from both of them and we will be left with 1 by a square. That is how we are getting 3 upon a square here. Okay. Now, going further, we can cancel out 3 and 27. 3 times 1, 3, and 3 times 9 is 27. Going further, we can rewrite this as a square is equals to 1 upon 9, or a can be written as square root of 1 by 9, which is equals to 1 by 3. So a is equals to 1 by 3. This is a final answer. This is matching with which option? This is matching with A option. A option is a correct option. I hope you understood this question well. If yes, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.